SNB Capital takes a stake in Korean battery manufacturer SK ON, and BitOasis is working closely with Dubai's regulator after its status changed to under review. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Saudi National Bank's SNB Capital has acquired a $100 million stake in a Korean battery manufacturer through its SNB Capital EV Batteries Sharia-compliant fund. SK ON is considered one of the largest EV battery manufacturers in the world. It supplies batteries to Ford, Hyundai, Volkswagen, and Mercedes-Benz through its factories in Asia, Europe, and America. The company's expansion plans will be fueled by the investment proceeds, multiplying its production capacity and allocating some to R&D. BitOasis says it's working closely with Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority to fulfill conditions of its minimum viable product license after its status was changed to under review. The UAE-based crypto platform says it won't onboard any new clients until it's complied with Vera requirements. This doesn't impact its ability to provide broker deal services to existing users. BitOasis says its team will continue to work closely with Vera and remediate all outstanding post-licensing conditions of its operational MVP license. Dubai school operator Talim saw net profit surge by 34.9% year-on-year for the 9 months ended May to $54.4 million. It was boosted by an enrollment growth rate of 36.2% year-on-year, reaching over 28,000 students, and higher net finance income from undeployed IPO proceeds. Talim saw a record revenue of $193.1 million for the 9 months period, up 30.3% year-on-year. The results were driven by better capacity utilization and the launch of new premium category schools. UAE-based online vet Mascot Health has raised $1.2 million in a pre-seed funding round led by Nua Capital with participation from Uber, Turo, and Airbnb angel investors. Mascot Health aims to expand its tech-enabled services for partner practices as well as launch a consumer-facing app for pet owners. Currently, the company provides vet clinics with tech solutions that enable them to collaborate with their mascot vets, streamline crucial tasks, book appointments, and offer connected care to pet owners. Hong Kong and Shanghai stocks rose today after Chinese authorities signaled fresh moves to support the economy. They unveiled measures to help the struggling property sector. The Hang Seng rose 0.97%, the Shanghai Composite climbed 0.55%, and the Shenzhen Composite gained 0.79%. Taiwanese Apple supplier Foxconn has pulled out of a joint venture to make chips with India's Vedanta in Gujarat state. The project was worth $19.5 billion. News of the scheme's collapse sent Vedanta. Anyway, I pronounced the name improperly. Please. Vedanta. Taiwanese Apple supplier Foxconn has pulled out of a joint venture to make chips with India's Vedanta in Gujarat state. The project was worth $19.5 billion. News of the scheme's collapse sent Vedanta shares falling more than 2% today. It's also a major blow for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his chip-making plans for India, which have become a top priority in the country's economic strategy. Foxconn says both firms felt the project wasn't moving fast enough. Mercedes-Benz Group sales in Q2 rose 6% year-on-year with a total of 515,700 vehicles sold. The rise came from demand for all-electric and top-end vehicles. Sales grew in all of the car maker's main regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. But in the rest of the world, Q2 sales fell 12% to 20,700 vehicles. EV car sales grew 123% to 56,300 units. The top-end segment, which includes models like AMG, Maybach, and G-Class, grew 12% for the period. And the world's wealthiest nations must urgently prepare for the impact of an imminent AI revolution that will change jobs, create new ones, and make others disappear. In its 2023 employment outlook, the OECD says there's little evidence of significant negative effects on employment from AI so far. But it says it's vital to gather better data on AI uptake and use in the workplace, including which jobs will change, be created, or disappear, and how skills needs are shifting. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.